Welcome to NIA-CAR, headed by our Regional Manager Engineer Benito T. Espica Jr., our Division Manager for Admin and Finance Ma'am Grace Panged, our Division Manager for Engineering and Operations Division, Engineer Renilio Cervantes. We would like to present our IDP accomplishment for the year 2021. The province of Abra is located at the western side of the Cordillera. Abra's neighbors are Ilocos Norte and Apayao in the north, Mountain Province in the south, Ilocos Sur in the southwest, and Kalinga on the east. Farming is one of the primary occupations of Abraños. Thus, the National Irrigation Administration have played a big role assisting 202 Irrigators Association with 14,451 farmers for the whole province of Abra. Upper Tadukan Agabab Farmer Irrigators Association, organized last January 6, 2021, is one among the 27 IAs with 326 hectares and 578 farmers accomplished target for newly organized and registered Irrigators Association of Cordillera. Both IA and NIA are working hand in hand in preparation for the full turnover of operation and maintenance of the irrigation systems. Part of the preparation is the signing of Memorandum of Agreement. This year, 43 Memorandum of Agreement was signed covering 1,565 farmer beneficiaries. With continuous assistance, we aim to fully capacitate our Irrigators Association and be an aid in promoting development.
Best practices of IDOs in the province are assisting farmers in the preparation of O&M for wet and dry season CY 2021. Giving assistance in the submission of quarterly and annual reports to BIR and SEC, like financial statement and general information sheet. More importantly, the friendship and solidarity of IDOs and the distributions of obligations and responsibilities which gives good services to the farmers.
During the pandemic, we are required to report at work even if we are not part of the skeletal workforce. But even we are reporting at the office, we cannot go to other municipalities because of their strict protocol. To be able to coordinate our farmers, we communicate to them through call and text.
Deo is preparing to go on field today. One of the Irrigation Development Officer of Apayao, Imo. He will be traveling to Calanasan, a municipality in the province of Apayao, about 5 to 6 hours away from the office. A risky road is waiting for Deo to traverse.
Kapag tag-ulan, mararanasan namin yung mga may landslide sa daan. Yung mga motor namin, kung hindi makakadaan, binubuhat namin. Tsaka yung mga ilog, kung malaki yung ilog, hindi kami basta-basta makakadaan at mag-hire pa kami ng mga balsa para lang makapunta kami sa aming mga field area.
As he arrives in the municipality, he will be walking a distance to visit our farmers residing in the rural part of Calanasan. As Irrigation Development Officer, Deo is used to these kind of trucks but still willing to reach out and bring assistance to our farmer beneficiaries. Apayao is in the northern part of Cordillera, covering 7 municipalities. The National Irrigation Administration is currently supporting 123 numbers of irrigators association with 8,236 farmers in the province of Apayao. Different strengthening activities are being conducted by Institutional Development Unit to make sure that these organizations continues to assume its function in managing their irrigation system. Cordillera Administrative Region targeted a total of 76 IA strengthening with 5,052 farmers. We have accomplished 76 IA strengthening with 5,128 farmer beneficiaries and continues to give assistance like Mr. Deo Silay. With the effort of work and participation, linkages among IAs were established, benefiting from different assistance from other agencies.
Yung mga best practices po namin dito sa Apayao, yung sa INSTI po, Institutional Development Section po, yung mga staff, pag may mga meetings, mga activity po na naka-schedule sa amin, yung mga Institutional Development Officer po, lagi po silang on time. So, yung linkages po sa mga line agencies, for example, sa LGU, sa DA, yun po, napapractice po namin always pag mga meetings, kailangan andun po lahat yung mga other line agencies para i-ano nila yung mga programs nila. For example, sa system management meeting, dapat andun lahat po yung mga ano nila, yung mga other line agencies to discuss yung mga agenda po nila, kung ano yung mga program na ibibigay nila dun sa mga farmers natin. So, another best practices po sa Apayao. So, meron po kaming unity, may cooperation, ganun po. Kaya yung, kung makikita nyo po dito sa amin, pag mamasyal kayo, meron po kaming cooperation sa isa't isa. Yung activity po namin is I think 100% or 101%. Actually, sa radio program, nagkakandak po kami ng NIA-IA program. So, yun po is yung programa ng about irrigation with partner po namin yung Irrigators Association, si Sir Rafi Albano po. So, lahat po ng mga program po na gusto naming ipahatid sa mga farmers natin na hindi po nararating or wala pong signal or yung talaga pong malalayong lugar, doon po nila maririnig yung mga programa ng mga office natin dito sa NIA. So, pag sa Institutional Development Unit, marami pong struggles po yan. Minsan, pag mag-field ka, so far yung mga kasama ko kasi malayo-layo po ang mga area nila. Sa corner, magmumotor po sila. So, sa Kalanasan, ganun din po, magmumotor po sila. So, yung biyahe lang dito from office to sa kanilang area is napakahirap na yon. Minsan pa, kahit umuulan, go pa rin sila kahit yung daan po is nag-erode na para lang makarating doon sa area na pupuntahan nila. At ano nila yung schedule na talagang, tawag na doon, talagang ASAP na kailangan isubmit nila. Meron pa yung struggles namin halos sa institutional unit, halos lahat po kami nag-positive sa COVID. 7 kami na IDO, 4 na kami na nag-positive. So, na-stop po yung activity ng INSTI. Wala po talagang movement. Plan na ginawa namin para lang lahat po yung mga trainings na hindi namin nakandak na po.
Ifugao, land of the Eighth World Wonder, located at the southern part of the Cordillera. Ifugao is known as home of the famous Banawe rice terraces. A portion of the famous rice terraces is being irrigated by the National Irrigation Administration, creating this amazing view and benefiting farmers in Banawe, Ifugao. There are 17,209 farmers within 258 IAs benefiting from the construction of irrigation systems. These have given an edge to the agricultural production of Ifugao province. To further the assistance program for these IAs, the Irrigation Management Transfer Contract is one of the programs that NIA is currently engaged to. There are 62 new IA with 5,030.21 contracted area in NIA-CAR. For the year 2021, as of November 30, a total of 10,616 farmers are covered by this contract. This was made possible through the assistance of Institutional Development Unit, encouraging our IAs to see through the operation and maintenance of the system. September 17, 2021, the financial management training was conducted for Caltipan Farmer Irrigators Association. Located at the Sagada Mountain Province, Caltipan FIA is one of the 61 IAs in 71 batches of different trainings conducted in the Cordillera. Mountain Province is located at the center part of Cordillera. There are 201 Irrigators Association with 25,843 farmer beneficiaries assisted by NIA Mountain Province Satellite Office.
Best practices of the agency include the field monitoring, visitation to help the farmers by providing services and assistance program in the system and preparation of the needed documents such as annual reports, preparation of LIPA, and tutoring support in performing their duties and responsibilities to help uplift the quality of life. Likewise, ensure close monitoring and interagency coordination for the success and welfare of the association. Another is that due to the coronavirus disease, where the movement of people is limited in majority of the government offices, apply skeletal workforce. Majority of the local government offices are strictly implementing the protocols and imposing rules and guidelines on preventive health measures such as community lockdown, non-entry of visitors coming from the places where positive cases for their fear that the virus might be transmitted in their community.
From planning to groundbreaking to construction, up to the ongoing agro-ecosystem analysis, the Benguet Model Farm is currently on its stage of training and farmers' field school, part of the stage to achieve the full operation of the project. Started last November 27, 2020, the model farm was completed last February 4, 2021. With a project cost of 1 million pesos, the model farm was awarded to Taloy Sur Irrigators Association, one of the outstanding IAs of Cordillera Administrative Region. The organization have scheduled 4 hours of every Friday to observe the performance of one cropping. The association will have 5 more activities before harvest while conducting agro-ecosystem analysis and will further plan its operation during their General Assembly by January 28, 2022. Like the Luisur IA, NIA-BSO have assisted 364 IAs with 15,148 farmer beneficiaries for the past year. Coordinations, tutorials, and trainings was conducted as part of institutional activities.
Magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Ito po yung mga struggles at mga good practice ng Benguet Satellite Office sa pagkandak po ng activities natin ngayong 2021. Isa po sa struggle natin dito ay ito pong epekto ng COVID-19 or ang pandemyang ito. Mas lalo na po sa first quarter hanggang po sa third quarter. Ito po ay napakalaki ang epekto sa ating mga activities, sa mga accomplishment, mas lalo na po sa ating field at mismo sa area ng ating mga Irrigators Association. Dahil po sa pabago-bagong restriction, pabago-bago pong ordinansa, at pabago-bago pong travel requirements, hindi po tayo nakapag-conduct ng activities mismo po sa site o sa ating Irrigators Association. Isa pa po ay nagka-lockdown din po ang ating opisina dahil po marami pong nagkaroon ng COVID-19 na ating mga kasamahan. Ito po ay nagpabagal sa accomplishment po ng ating opisina. Dahil po dito, nagkaroon po kami ng estratehiya kung paano namin at least mababawasan man lang yung mga ganitong senaryo. Nagkaroon po at gumawa kami ng group chat at isinali po namin ang ating Irrigators Association, mas lalo na po ang ating Federation, Provincial Federation of Irrigators Association, na kung saan ang mga BOT ay inire-represent ang lahat ng munisipyo. Dito po, na-update natin po sila sa mga schedules, sa mga activities, sa mga kaganapan, at sa mga update ng ating office kung paano natin gagawin itong mga activities na ito. Dito rin po, inihahayag nila yung kailangan nila mismo sa site po. Dito po, ay nakakaroon din po tayo ng Zoom meeting kasama po ang ating mga Irrigators Association. At nakikita po natin ang epekto at pag-usad ng ating mga accomplishment. Siguro po, ito po yung maaari po naming i-share sa inyo na good practices, mas lalo na po ngayong pandemya. Salamat po at magandang araw.
In Kalinga, Buluburubor is one of the 436 IAs with 28,206 farmer beneficiaries being assisted by National Irrigation Administration. Kalinga is located in the center part of Cordillera.
During this pandemic, conduct of targeted institutional development program activities have been delayed due to increasing number of COVID-19 positive cases and especially that some of the IA leaders and members are senior citizen. At isa pa, hindi basta-bastang makapasok sa isang munisipyo or barangay kung walang pahintulot ang municipal or barangay IATF. With this, we have to comply with the IATF protocols. Lalo na noong 14 of our co-employees have been tested COVID-19 positive. Since lahat kami sa IDS ay direct contact, lahat kami ay na-quarantine ng 14 to 21 days after the swab testing. With this, the Kalinga Irrigation Management Office declared complete lockdown to reduce the virus transmission and to ensure the safety of the employees as well as the farmer clienteles. Kahit limited ang galaw natin sa panahon o sitwasyon ngayon, as frontliners in irrigation development, we need to be focused and determined in our work and in attaining agencies' goals and objectives.
Mang Theodoro is a member of Buluburubur IA, one of the IAs assisted under UCRI's National Irrigation System. His practice of diversified crops is one of the prospects proposed for enhanced partnership against hunger and poverty.
The main gamin nga sila kwa rice, tapos duman, vegetable, fruits, poultry, tapos fish pan lagi ti kwa rotation gamin ma'am ti pagmeta na gamin ti diversified tas la di income mo ay ket kwa ay tuloy-tuloy lata no malpas ti harvest sabalin mo nga harvest ka ti duma crops mo vegetables everything that's from ti diversified. Ada ti protection ti bay sa kwangay hanggang kas pagarigan no ada ti typhoon ket no makwal iti pagay mo ket siyempre awan to ti pangalantikam no ada di no daka diversified ada iti income mo latang kwa pangalan.
Here are the recent accomplishments for EPAP Cordillera. Welcome to NIA Cordillera's journey in joining the Enhancement Partnership Against Hunger and Poverty. Series of activities were conducted to come up with an agreement that will seal the beginning of one goal. As preparation for the implementation of EPAP, orientation was attended by IDP staff and other IA Federation on the 23rd day of September last year, 2020. This was followed by series of orientations among NIA and other agency and Irrigators Association in the province. Coordination with different agencies were also conducted. As we move forward on our journey, orientation and launching of EPAP was successfully conducted at Farmers Training Center, Wangal, La Trinidad, last April 7, 2021. On the same event, the Memorandum of Understanding was also signed by 18 national agencies supporting the holistic approaches to mitigate hunger, ensure food security and health, and reduce poverty in the rural communities. These are Department of Social Welfare and Development Field Office, Department of Agrarian Reform, Department of Agriculture, Department of Agriculture Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Department of Agriculture Agricultural Training Institute, Department of Interior and Local Government, Bureau of Jail Management and Phenology, Department of Education, Department of Health, Population Commission, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Trade and Industry, Technical Education and Skills Development Authority, Cooperative Development Authority, National Irrigation Administration, Land Bank of the Philippines, Development Bank of the Philippines, and Department of Information and Communications Technology. We have also assisted our IAs in conducting Federation meetings on EPOP concerns. A memorandum of agreement was signed with other agencies for a stronger bond between NIA and among other agencies. Marketing agreement was also signed between BJMP and BFFIA. We have also attended the Regional Convergence Team meeting last July 28, 2021, and Mid-Year Assessment and Planning Workshop last August 25 to 27, setting one vision, one mission for EPOP Cordillera. Linking our IAs through EPOP, Benguet Federation of Farmer Irrigators Association under MOU with BJMP have a total sale of 54,300 as of November 30, 2021.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyo dahil po yung mga products po ninyo talagang minimintin nyo rin po sa amin. Kung kinakailangan po namin, kagaya po yung mga water pump po, ibinigay nyo sa amin na 7 water pump, 7 unit po, na ang value po nun ay 0.9 million. Yun po ang malaking pagpapasalamat po namin sa inyo dahil yung mga hindi po namin na nabubukid, ay ngayon na nabubukid na po namin.
Kang Ronan na agyaman kami ta adda opisina ti NIA nga umay nang ti serbisyo da kada kami iti barangay ma'am. Sapay ko mata subaybayan da kami aging ganang agtultuloy iti operation man dito may pasdek nga operation ti padanom